today I have decided that I'm gonna start my YouTube art journey again. I took a long break which I needed because after my second baby I had no time with two kids to do the videos, but I think I can manage now. So okay, wait a minute, the camera is moving. Okay, so the first video I'm gonna make is about my art materials. I'm gonna take them out today and just arrange them. So be with me and just stay along my journey. Thank you all for staying here. Thank you. Okay, let's start.
Just say hello. Pehle hello bolo. Okay guys, so these are all my art material which I packed and put them in the bed box, but I think I'm gonna rearrange them and unpack them. Let's see what I have here. Oh my god, these are so many markers and my acrylics. So I have to arrange everything now. My crafting materials, these are my mirrors, and these are my old paintings. So I have so much stuff which I have to unpack now and just get ready for the new videos. So stay tuned. So I just got my colors delivery today through Amazon. Let's open it and see what's inside. So these are my acrylic new color paints, and these are from Montmartre. I think I'm not saying it correct, but whatever. Okay, so these are the acrylic color paint set, and this is like 18 pieces each. One of them are like 36 ml. It's a very nice set, I have to say, because it's just the right amount I needed. Not too much, not too little. So let's get started. Whatever the old colors I have, it's in my bag. I have to arrange all of them, all these small fabric colors. I'm gonna stack them nicely in the tray so that I can put them somewhere, and just it will be much easier next time to take them whenever I am painting. So all these are left over, like some of them are half used and all, so I'll just pack them somewhere in the tray. And now my brushes. So these colors which I got, let's see how many are there and see the colors. These are all the basic colors that you get. There's no fluorescent in these and not the pastels. So pastels I think we can make nicely with them, just mixing white in it. So I don't think you need different pastel sets, but fluorescent I think I need one more set of Montmartre. So some of my paintings also I found these ones which I made, but I didn't hang them anywhere because my house is already full now. So let's see how many are there. So these are all the MDF based boards on which I made the paintings, and some are still there. And this beautiful mirror work I did a while back. This is my Durga Ma, and this is of Shri Radha. And in the evening we went to SeaWorld, and it was such a nice experience. My kids loved it, and the dolphin show was my favorite. I think if you are visiting Abu Dhabi, you have to go there. It's a must to visit whenever you are in Abu Dhabi. You're gonna love this. So it was such an enjoyable experience. कितना सुंदर लग रहा है, पता है वीडियो। What are you making? Raj is an artist.
Like my mother, I am an artist.
क्या बना रही है मिशकू?
But we need also the time. It's 8:24.
Okay guys, so doing some editing and reading these novel, but I haven't finished it at night. I don't know I can do it, but let's see how much time it takes for me along with making videos. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I know it was a small video, but next time I'll come up with a new tutorial. Till then, take care and do not forget to subscribe, and please leave a comment if you have any suggestion for me for my coming videos, and if you want any specific kind of tutorial, just give me some hints and ideas. I really need them. So till then, bye bye.